Welcome back everyone. We have been discussing about the fundamentals of current and electricity so far. So let's have a quick recall of what we saw last time. So we discussed about Ohm's law, where we found the relationship between the voltage, current and the load resistance, correct? And we saw that battery should never be shorted, should never be connected without a load, because high current will damage, else high current due to short will damage the battery. Correct? This is what we saw. Next, what we saw about addition of voltages. Suppose I give you a circuit like this and ask you what is the net voltage. We saw the voltages are like the floors of a building. When the voltage is going up, it's like walking up the building. When the voltages are going down, it is like climbing down the building. Like this, using the same analogy, we can find what is the net voltage across the two terminals. Then we saw the property of a switch. I have a battery, I have a switch, I have a load. Under what condition the load will turn on is what we saw. So switch is on, load is on, switch is off, load is off. Correct? These are the conditions we saw. Correct? Now we will discuss about the fundamentals of automation here. Okay. So we are going to discuss about something very, very interesting called fundamentals of logic design. So let us first understand the meaning of this word logic. What is logic? This is the science of reasoning. Science of reasoning or decision making. Why something is happening some way, why something is not happening some way. If something is happening, what can happen because of that? All this analysis we do and take a decision, correct? At the end of the day, we are making decisions. So let us understand the decision making process. Let us understand the decision making process. Okay, let us understand the decision making process. Now let us do this through an example. Okay, let us say we want to watch a movie. How will you decide to watch a movie or not? Tell me. How will you decide? How will you decide? Let's say the movie has very good star cast. Your favorite hero, your favorite heroine is acting there. Or movie has very good story. Or movie screenplay is very good. Correct? Your star cast, let's say, your favorite hero is acting in that movie, or the movie story is extremely good, or the screenplay of the movie is very good. The screenplay, visual effects, all those things, okay, is very good. Okay. Now, let us say there is a movie which satisfies all these things. Let's say a movie is there which is satisfying all these things. Okay. Does it mean will you watch it? Does it mean you will watch it? Let us say there is a movie which is satisfying all these three conditions. You want to watch it now, but tomorrow is your annual exam. So I am becoming the villain of the story now. I gave all interesting stuff and suddenly saying tomorrow is your annual exam. Can you study this? Can you watch this movie? Of course not. We have to prepare for tomorrow's exam. Correct? Let us say in another 1 hour you are going to have an exam. Can you sit and watch a 3-hour movie? No. No. We have to attend the exam. So definitely it is not possible for you to watch the movie. So we need to have time available to watch the movie. Correct? Now let's look at this in a little bit different way. So I will say same thing what I wrote above, I am going to write it again here in a little bit way, different way which is convenient for me. Good star cast, good story, good screenplay, okay. I'm just drawing it like a flow chart. If any of these condition is met, if any of this condition is met, you need time available. I will say all of this condition is met. So look at this. Let us understand this much more detail. Let's say the star cast of the movie is good, or any means what I'm just elaborating this. Any means or, correct? The other word is, I'm just playing with English here, or. So good star cast, or good story, or good screenplay. If any one of this condition is met, this is met. Correct? This, I don't know what is this. Let me call some X. You will say X, condition X is met. Now with respect to this guy, he is saying all of this needs to be met. Now who all are his inputs? See, to this block, what are his inputs? Star cast is an input. Good story is an input. Good screenplay is an input. If any of this is met, he is happy. Correct? He is happy. Correct? If any of this condition is met. So X, condition X is met. If all the three conditions are met, it is well and good. But at least one of them should be met. Now with respect to this guy, what are his inputs? X is his input, time available is input. Now this guy is saying all of his input should be met. What are all of his input? X is input, time available is another input. So X is met, and all means what? And if I look at the word in English, it is and. That means X is met when star cast or story or screenplay is good. Now here I am looking at X is met and time is available. X is met means star cast is good or story is good or screenplay is good and time is available. You watch the movie. So this is a decision making in a decision making using, what did we use? And or, correct? So using and or logic.